Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I want to go over all the mods I've done to my G37 so far, and I'll also cover things that you guys can do to your G37s and 370Zs, since all these mods are pretty much interchangeable since they have the same engine. Just as an overview, this is my 2008 G37S. Now, starting outside the vehicle, I opted to get Stance SF03s with the Michelin Pilot Sport all-season tires. These are 19-inch rims all the way around, and I went with 8.5 in the front and then 9.5 in the rear because I need more grip. A lot better than just summer tires, especially around here in Maryland. We get a bunch of random weather, so that's helpful. Got tint, which is always a must. Tint the headlights, the grille, and the back decals just to match the tires. Originally it's all chrome, but just looks a lot more sporty with black everywhere else. Now for interior, I haven't really done too much. With the Sport you do get the paddle shifters, which are nice, but I did include or install some temp gauges along with the sprint booster button. Right now it's off, I think. Let me turn it on real quick just so you guys can see. So those are the gauges. Obviously just setting, but down here you do get the option between off, which is pretty much stock, low throttle response, a little bit less torque and horsepower, but not much difference. And then green would be sport, which is just smoother handling, and throttle response is a little bit better, and shifting is a lot smoother. And then obviously race mode, which is full send everything, which I like to keep it in. It does put a little bit on it, but MPG don't expect that much when you mod a car, so it's whatever. If I pop the hood real quick, take a look under. Pull that right here. Now, under the hood. So starting up top, I have the Z1 intake manifold mount on top of the engine. This kit, along with headers and the downpipes with a tune, bring it to 400. And then I have the Gen 2 still in intake pipes, along with the Z1s. I don't know if you can see it, it's pretty dark. There's two long intake cones on both sides, like right here and right here. And down low, I actually have, you can't see it, but there's a giant oil cooler down here. It's probably sit from here to here. You can probably see the hose lines. I had to go all the way down to it, but it does get pretty hot, especially in the summer here. So cooling is a pretty big thing to include into one of these builds. From the downpipes down is a fully custom built exhaust system by Seb Racing. Stainless steel all the way. Down underneath we have the Z1 Nismo rear differential kit, which helps put power down to the rear tires. That, along with the racing flywheel and clutch kit, helps with all the smooth shifting. With the stock system, shifting's pretty clunky and a little bit slow, so I needed something with a little bit faster response time, so that helps a lot. So yeah guys, that's the build for 450 horsepower. Now if I were to recommend anything to anybody that has a 350, 370Z, G35, G37, I'd probably say start with the intakes, because these are probably the easiest things you can get done. And if you want to get more power, I'd say just opt for this 400 horsepower kit right here. Those alone is plenty, but if you want to go more, at least you have the intake power now for forced induction if you want to go that route. Obviously everybody's going to do exhaust with the modded car, so that's a given. But yeah, you guys can make these VQ engines sound pretty good. So, but yeah, guys, that's my G37. I hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, peace.